So I'm just on the roof checking out this AC. This one was just installed and it's not cooling properly because apparently the board is bad on the air handler and the heat strips are staying on while it's in cool. Nice view of the city. And for some reason, there's a fish, a whole fish. It's like sitting here. I'm on the roof of a building and I would think it was a bird, but why didn't it eat the fish? A whole fish up here.